If you're running a marketing agency, I'm going to be completely blunt with you. A lot of what I'm seeing on YouTube is people teaching illegal activities to a lot of aspiring marketers out there. And in this video, I want to share and enlighten a lot of people on what you can and cannot do. So if you have been, reaching out to businesses, whether it's through SMS, email, or cold calling, one of those ways is highly illegal. In addition to how you're getting those leads, is also highly illegal. You cannot use free Chrome extensions to scrape Google business profiles. You can't do it. It's illegal. It's highly illegal. But what is worse than that, because you could probably get away with that, what's worse than that is what I'm seeing people do with these lists. They're scraping, illegally scraping, business data, let's say roofers near Wayne, New Jersey, and they're getting 60, 70, 80 roofers in the surrounding area using free scrapers. Most of the time they're Chrome extensions. Those are illegal leads. Whether you get caught or not is, it may never happen. But then they're taking those lists and uploading it into their GoHighLevel. And when they upload it into GoHighLevel, they're then cold texting them. Now look, I've been around for a very long time. Started my agency in 2014. It's been, 12 years now. I've been coaching for 9 years now. April was 9 years. 9 years since 2017, April of 2017. And the reason why I've been around for so long is because I do things legally. I actually follow the law, because you actually could build a huge business doing things legally. I always wondered why people do illegal activities. And then I realized the reason why is because they don't know any better. So maybe it's up to me to share what is actually legal and what is actually not. And look, I didn't get this award or those 4 awards up there or this award or that one or the 2 down there. I didn't get those by doing illegal, shady stuff. I did them, and while I'm still around is because everything I do and teach is all legal. So I'm going to jump on my screen and show you what actually is legal to do when it comes to prospecting, and how you're legally allowed to reach out to these businesses, how you're legally allowed to pull data off of Google's API. And hopefully this will help a few people and calm some nerves, because I've seen some pretty shady and scary stuff on YouTube, more now than ever. And I know that there is a lot of people that are following these rationales and these trainings, and it is illegal to do it this way. So let's jump on my computer and I'll show you. All right, so what you see on this screen is a lead scraper that uses Google's API key. Okay, so anytime I run a search here, it's pinging Google's API and then it's returning the results. Okay, so this would be the legal way. Now, look, I'm not going to say the sky is falling here. Most Chrome extension scrapers that you use that are free, they may be, on the free tier, they're just eating the cost of, the 20 businesses or the 50 businesses, but they all have tiers. So if you want to scrape thousands of businesses, you'll probably have to pay. Now, if that's the case, then those are most likely legal, doing the exact same thing that I have set up here, right? And so I wouldn't really worry too much about the whole scraping aspect for business leads when you want to reach out to them for. But here's what I do want to show you. So if I want to scrape like HVAC companies, I'll just put Wayne, and then I'll just choose New Jersey. Okay, it's going to pull a list of these businesses. So it's searching Google Places, again, with the legalized API key. And then from here, right, I get all my list of businesses, and then they're all ranked based on, do they have a website, low rating, very few reviews. So like ABC Cooling and Heating Services, you have a 70%, you have a high chance of possibly landing that as a client because they have all these things missing. The more I scroll down, it gets lower and lower. They have a website, they have reviews, and they're just overall doing okay when it comes to those 3 things. Okay, so if I click this, let me just save this. All right, and then I go over to my prospect vault and I look in HVAC businesses. I have a huge warning here for everybody that says phone numbers are for cold calling only. Cold texting businesses without prior consent violates the TCPA law and can result in $500 to $1,500 fines per message. And that's the law. If I went to, let's say I want to upload all of these to GoHighLevel, right? So I can actually, let me just choose one. I can upload it, right? I'll tag it. Let me see, actually, let me tag it correctly. They don't have a website. So let me actually click all of these, and then I can tag it properly. So I'm going to hit upload, tag, no website. All right. And then these are the contacts that it's going to create. And then I can add 8 contacts directly to GoHighLevel with my portal. By the way, this is not released yet to the general public, but it will be very soon. If this is something that you might be, I know you don't really understand much about what this is, but this is like GoHighLevel MCP style AI coaching to starting a marketing agency. We have our coach, we have our prospectors, closers, our builders, and so these are 5 agents that live within the system to help you build your marketing agency. If that's something you're interested in, give me a comment down below. It's taken me about 1,000 hours so far to build this thing using Claude Code, but let me just show you what it does really, really quick. Now, these businesses that I added to GoHighLevel, I could also add to like a cold calling or cold emailing script. This is kind of turning into something that I didn't thought. So I could go email, I do cold calling email list, add to the list. And then when I come over, let me log in over here and I go to contacts. Okay, you'll see in my contacts that I added that list directly to GoHighLevel. I'm connecting to their MCP directly from this dashboard, right? No setup required. No Claude Code. Like I'm connecting Claude Code to GoHighLevel through this app. And so I have their phone numbers. This is all, kosher phone numbers because they were in the list that I pulled. And they don't have a website. Now, if I wanted to, this is what I'm saying. You can't come in here and send this guy a text message. I mean, look, will you get away with it? Maybe. But it's illegal. Like it's federally illegal. That's the best way to put it. It's not locally, it's federally illegal to just be able to just like scrape a list of this guy and just send him an email. You can't do that. I mean, send him a text message. You can cold email by law. You can cold call by law. You can hit him up on Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, any of those. That's all kosher and allowed. You cannot send cold text messages to businesses that you pulled and scraped off of Google. You can't do it. So I advise anybody that's following that kind of training, of maybe somebody else is teaching that, don't do that. So like I said, like our double tap method is Facebook, Instagram, so you can create a lot of stuff through all this. Anyway, this isn't a training on this. I just wanted to get this out there for those of you who are, doing these things. Will you get away with it? Maybe. Is it worth it? No. You're going to get a 2% response rate. And so you would need thousands and thousands of text messages to go out. If you send out 50 text messages a day, maybe you get 1 reply, 2 at most, and 98% of them will be no's. And so is it worth having to text thousands of businesses to get a cold text response? Because most of the time, if they have an iPhone, it's going into spam anyway. So cold calling, when it comes to cold prospecting, cold calling, I would say, and cold emailing are the top 2 that I would use. And do not cold text message unless you want to play with fire. All right, guys, I'm excited to release what you're seeing on my screen right now. I think this is a game changer for every agency owner out there, whether you're brand new or you're a veteran. This here, when I fully release this, is going to be gangbusters. See you in the next video.